Holy shit. What up, guys? Let's see. Did I forget? Ah, shoot. I forgot to fix my freaking... Where's that at? Give me a minute, guys. I'm looking for... Oh, it's right there. Man. Almost want to take that long off 71, but hell, we're already 30 points above, man. We'll just have to wait and see. What's up, Wesley? Pretty good. I actually just caught like 100 points on that big old boner cannon right there. I just happened to be long here around 80, 86. So it was just insane. Yeah, it's like we're already up $200 already tonight. You call it half up? Oh yeah, dude, I got $100 and I was like, okay, we're done. Let me get it. We're up $218 already. So we went in with 3 micros and we caught like that 100-point runner on the one runner. So yeah, we got 100 points out of it. I hit that 100 points and I shut that thing down quick. I'm like, let me take my 100 points so this baby pulls back. So at least tonight should be a little bit on the chill side. We'll just see if we can find a couple little entries here and there. As long as we stay over $100 tonight, I'm cool with that. Trying to get all my stuff started up here. I know, I had to go do something real quick. I wanted to get long off that 71, but I didn't do it. Are you doing the Bitcoin right now? How are you trading? Are you just trading Bitcoin with cash, or how are you doing your Bitcoin trade? I'm thinking it's going to probably just chop around until probably lunchtime or something. What's up, Timothy? How are you doing? Timothy, did you catch any of that big Hulk smash boner candle? I think we're good. Yeah, should be good. I don't know what that was. What time is it? 40? I'm still thinking, what do y'all think? We still move back to the top side? This is just kind of like a 50% pullback. All right. I think I got everything set up now. That's kind of what I'm hoping for right here. Maybe if we stay above this previous day close. Previous day close and current day open here. Might have to wait till closer to the top of the hour before we try to grab something. I definitely want to be in at the right at the top of the hour. That way maybe we can catch the breakout. Yeah, same here. I was in the trade already before it broke out. So how was the did you call it quits after that big move to the downside, Wes? Didn't you get in that same trade that I got in this evening off that 56 pivot? Was that your last trade? That was pretty much my last big trade of the day. We're doing good, Uptown. How are we doing? You were on a roll today? Nice. Oh, you made another 200 bucks out of that? Man, that was probably my last good trade of the day. I tried one. Well, I took one more trade right before my funded futures. I was up 150 points. I thought it was going to keep going and it come back and stop me out for like a 10 or 20 point take profit. So we left like 100 or something points on the table. Then I took one more trade on the funded account and only made 30 bucks. And that was pretty much the rest of my trading for the day. Let's see. Oh, I'm like, where is that commercial coming from? Oh my goodness. So we're still going to look for trades even though we're up he blew 6 account. Dude, very easy to do, especially if you were over leveraged this morning, Wes. I mean, dude, blowing an account on a mini today, you could have done that within seconds. Today was definitely a day you needed to be on micros. Dude, is this going to be the breakout here? I mean, this is a big old bull flag. Might get stopped out quick. Let's see if I can DCA in this a little bit. Now, if we lose 67, I will close this. 67 is kind of my line in the sand. We need this area to hold. Should get another pop out of this area. We start losing this areas where I would start getting a little nervous here. And I thought we were going to continue to break out, maybe run these highs up here. And still holding up. 58 is kind of the last little line in the sand here on the pullback. That sucks. I hated to see that print there. I'm going to see if I can DCA back into this just because we have so much support down here. Woo, we just blew through our profit. Push. Woo, that tried to get me out of that, didn't it, guys? It was like, it didn't want me to have that for a minute. Little couple DCAing. Let's see if this thing will continue higher. All right, we're out of all of our contracts except one. It's going pretty good. Trader R, Joe. What's up, Elizabeth? Sorry, I got kind of focused on the charts there for a minute. I'm hoping we can stay in this thing to the top of the hour, even though it's another 15 minutes. So... blast. Woo, is this going to be back-to-back 100-point moves? I could just do the 100 points and go for 46. Or we can see if we can run this data wick or whatever the hell that wick was. Even though this is one nasty wick, guys. We're even getting dirty price action tonight. Did we reach... I don't know if we get the 20 back down to 27,000. Oh, you got your take prop for it drop back down, Wes? Nice. Dude, that is a nasty pullback, man. That will ruin your night. Dude, that's like a 50 points pullback. Nice, Elizabeth. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to stay in it, man. When it started pulling back, I wasn't sure if it was going to hold or not, but... Woo, nice pop. Yeah. Push it. Like I said, we're going to try to hold this to the top of the hour. We still got 10 minutes. Unless we, for some reason, pop up there and hit this data wick, whatever data wick this is. $80, 87% continuation whenever I see that. Nice. Is that the 2020 EMA, Elizabeth? I have the 21 and stuff on my other charts over here. I mean, we can see what they look like over here. Yeah, I see what you mean. There's that wick back into the 21 EMA that you were talking about. What's up, Nick? You said, what's up, Ash? Oh, you've been riding that up for the last 15 minutes? Heck yeah. Dude, if we hit this one, we'd already be up 400 for the night. That's like, that's like, call it good. Why couldn't this be my elusive funded account here, Nick? Be already over the threshold and $100 tonight. Ugh. But oh well, it is what it is. How long is it? 28,600. You got your short set up there. Nice. How long does Elusive take to pay you your payouts usually, Nick? Like 5 minutes? Okay, nice. Yeah, I've never, like I said, we've just recently started using Elusive a few months ago, and this will be, if I'm able to, you know, reach that threshold, it'll be my first payout with Elusive. So. What's up, Inspire? How are you doing? No, we're going to get this for, man, I think we're going to get this for the top of the hour. Heck yeah. Nice, Inspire. New funded account. Heck yeah. Okay, so you only took 800. What's up, IBC? Pretty good tonight, man. We're already, if we can hit this last take profit at 572, that'll push us over $400 tonight over this on this valuation. Dude, 100-point trade in the freaking second 100-point trade in the Asian session, guys, because we caught 100 points on this trade earlier. We were long down here at 76 when we crossed and whatever this big old Hulk smash boner candle, we took 100 points out of this one, and we DCA'd back in this one. We did get long around 75 here. So kind of DCA'd like twice to get our average back down to 46. Push it. Oh, that's going to suck. That thing only come within a few points. Who did you get your funded account with, Inspire? I know. I feel like I was getting a little greedy here because it could pull back on me. Pump it. All right, we'll at least lock in most of this just in case. I don't want to give up all this profit if it comes back. So we locked in right at 90 points. The long wick. Do you have an Instagram? Yeah, we have Instagram. Come on. Ooh, come on, Hulk, smash it. Let's see. I'm live on Instagram, so I may have to wait. Ooh, we got 3 minutes to the top of the hour. I'm going to stay at the bottom of this wick and see what happens at the top of the hour. If we can last here. We got about 2 minutes left on this candle. Push. I'm trying to stay in this till the top of the hour, guys. We got 1 minute left. $50 seconds left. We're just trying to stay in this trade to the top of the hour, Travis. Usually we anticipate a big move at the top of the hours in the Asia market. And we're trying to target the top of this wick. So we're just trying to give it room. So if you look at the 30 there, there's that big data wick right there, or big candle wick. So we are anticipating that wick to kind of hold us up. No, this is the MNQ. All right, here comes the top of the hour here. I want to see like see a little volatility out of this candle. Look at her. Come on. All right. Oh, let it run. I thought you said you were looking for a 600 short. I'm okay with taking this profit here. We're at 422 at the moment. You trading off the fair value gaps? Nice. There we go. Whew. It finally got it. Dude, it's almost like you can just chill the rest of the evening. We're up total of 450 for the night, Travis. Tall, are you still taking the short at the 600? Man. Did anybody stay greedy and hold it? Shorts are gonna get cooked. I have no idea, man. What is this? The 200 EMA sitting up there? I think that's what that is. The 200. You're holding Wes? Okay, nice. Oh, the VWAP. That's what it is. I forgot what it was, man. I'm like, what is that up there? That's right. You're right. VWAP. Time to be chilling. Yeah, you can share. I just don't know how. Right now, I have no way of bringing over the link to that Instagram page. It's just under the same as my YouTube channel, though. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. The reason why I can't, because I did a live on Instagram. Yeah, it's just under Husk Williams. Is it maybe because of different time frames, Nick? Dude, no pullback. This thing's almost up another freaking 100 points, man. Where are you holding to, Wes? Are you just going to see how far it can go up, or what are you going to hold to? Are you at least, have you taken some profit? Wait a minute. I'll put it in there for you. Okay, you're 50% in profit. Nice, Wes. Where was your entry at? Where are you long from, Wes? Are you still looking for the 600 possible shortfall? I mean, tall? $550? Oh, okay, so you're long on the ES. Oh, wait, never mind. Just 550? Is that ES levels? No, ES is not at 5,000, is it? No way. Okay. So 550. Okay, nice. I like that long. That's a nice long on the top of this this pullback here, on top of the, right at that data wick candle or whatever that was. We're going to be super patient here, guys. We've already been in 2 big trades already, so we're just going to kind of just chill at the moment. We're not going to really chase anything. If we do decide to take something, we're definitely going to probably even downsize to 2 micros instead of 3. So no reason to try to give back profits. I mean, I guess we can put a teaser short at the VWAP up there for the VWAP people. The VWAP. Even though I think my VWAP's different from, I think Nick, you said yours was at 700? I'll have to give me a minute to check that, Inspire. Like I said, we are we are live on TikTok. I mean, TikTok, I can't even talk right. On Instagram. And so I can't check none of my stuff. Okay, I see where you says check the inbox in here on the messages. So Yeah, so it won't let me check anything when I'm live like this. Like it won't let me select anything, so I'll have to wait. All right, just a filler trade here. That's all this is. I'm only going to give it like maybe 5 points. Oh, I guess yeah, I can try the mobile. I didn't think about that. Woo. May have to close this if it goes through. $700 is my line in the sand here, guys. Couldn't. A lot of times we'll hit that 700 whole number and pull back to 75, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. Whew. All right, one more hit for 25 off the whole number here. Sorry, I'm just focused on my charts at the moment. Make sure I'm at 25. I really don't want to see it goes through. I want to see 25 and pull back here. Man, may not even get the pullback here. Nick, the VWAP let me down. Give us another VWAP touch. That's all we asking for. Give me a minute and I'll look at it. Really needed to see it hit right there off the VWAP. Oh yeah, this thing's going to continue. Son of a bee. Next one may be 84. We did get our 25 touch, but most of the time on the 25 touch, you'll just pull back, say to, man, I don't know if, come on. We ain't asking for much, just a few points. See, we may get the, damn it. We're hitting right off of my EMAs on the Rico candles. Nice. We may have to close this. We got right there back to break even, guys. May have to close it. Don't know. Well, looking. Shit, where am I at? Damn, I'm already. You like to squeeze the 900? We're probably going to get stopped at the 700. If I'm looking at my Rico candles here. That's my second time being back to break even. Oh. Push. Oh, you got to be kidding me. You dirty girl. Oh my goodness. I don't really want to let this go all the way back up 20 points, guys. So it'll have to hold in this spot here. All right, we got to get out of that. I cannot believe I let it all the way back to just tick me, then just to move up. Oh, that's insane. Insane, insane, insane. Five-minute trend line broke. We're trading micros. Check the inbox. Dude, I don't even know where to, I don't even know where to look for inbox. We were just scalping for 10 points off the VWAP. We should have probably closed that when we got back down there, but that's okay. So we gave up about half our profit back. I have to just look at it in a minute, man. I'm sorry. I don't know where the inbox is on Instagram, on my phone. I mean, I see the little things up there, but it doesn't show me anything. I don't know, man. I'll just have to look at it. Like I said, man, the 4 hours at the 29K range. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'll just have to look at it whenever I'm done with this. I'm sorry. Nobody. We're trading the MNQ. Methodical, you streaming tonight? Let's see, one more time. Oh. Okay. I don't see nothing there. What are you looking for? Pullback here? Oh, goodness. Is this going to be finally the 50% pullback here? Pullback. The volatility can pump it in minutes to the 29K. Oh yeah, we already lost we already lost a little bit of our profit on that last one. We're still a little over $100, but we lost a little bit on that last loss. All right. I don't know too much about that stock, Justin. Sorry. Oh, okay. What's up, Will? How are you doing? You're waiting for a reversal formation. Oh, it's about the funded account. Who are you? Who's your funded account with? Inspire. No pullbacks. Do you have to smash, like, sometimes on those funded accounts you have to hit upgrade or something? Who is your funded account with, Inspire? FTMO? Not sure if I know who that one is. Or maybe I don't recognize those abbreviations. Oh, excuse me. Well, we're definitely not going to try trade at the VWAP again. We already tried that once, so we're going to stay away from that one. Kind of got me in trouble a while ago. What time is it here? All right. For phase 2. See, I'm not familiar with that prop firm with the phase 2. I always thought most prop firms these days just had one phase. So that's kind of new to me. I can look that up and see what FTMO stands for. I'm not sure what that stands for. Let's see. Oh, is it My Funded Futures? My Funded Futures don't have a phase 2, I didn't think. Not that I'm aware of. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I guess I haven't really heard those guys before. Nice pop her. How they start the rally and end the rally? Oh, you think they may offer futures now? Oh, that's a Forex company. Okay. Yeah, see, I've never heard of them, Inspire. That's totally new to me. So we're just kind of sitting on the sidelines right now, guys. Like I said, we did lose a little bit of our profit on that last one. We're still a little, what? If I can look for another trade, that should get us a little over 200 bucks. So we lost about half our profit a while ago. What's up, Joseph? Nighttime, we don't even really have a strategy that we use at nighttime. We're just kind of playing price action with like pullbacks and stuff. Or bull flag breakouts, or so Asia is just a totally different kind of thing to me. Daytime, we usually trade a lot of time off like the higher time frame. Yeah, mainly we do the AM session. But we do also trade the Asia market, but we're trading it completely different. So, oh goodness, excuse me. Methodical, you need to get that Google. I need to get those Google stuff, man, so I can do that short for you. Do the short. No. I just trade like a few hours in the morning and a few hours at night. I also have a part-time job I work, and plus I get income from other stuff. So like we get not a lot of money from affiliates. We usually do get a little bit. I also work for My Funded Futures. I also have like a part-time job. I also get like rental property income, and plus my wife's business. So just like multiple streams of income. It just doesn't come from one place. If I can make $1,000 or $2,000 a month in trading, I'd be more than happy with that. I'm not sure if I'm familiar. Oh, that's what Inspire. No indicators. I use just a collection of the market. Nice, man. Yeah, I mean, I'm assuming, there's probably people out there doing the full-time trading. I just know that's a lot of stress to depend on trading to pay all your bills every month. I think if you're able to make income in other places, then if there's those months or every other month that you can make good money trading to pay your bills, then save the money that you got from your other income. I just know that just seems very stressful to try to pay all your bills monthly. The wife sells the feet pics. No, ain't nobody selling no feet pics. Oh, goodness. Oh, the guy who just quit his job 6 weeks ago, man. Who was it that blew the 6 accounts this morning, Wes? Oh, you Inspire said he's making 5K a week. That's nice. Oh, Corey the phone trader? Is he streaming now? I didn't know he was streaming full time. Okay. Yeah, he's on My Funded Futures every Monday, Wes. Yeah, Monday. He's got a Monday segment for 1 hour. Nice, Joseph. 2 accounts with Top Step. Heck yeah. Yeah, I guess I wasn't aware he quit his job. I mean, I've heard him talk on My Funded Futures. He said he was also working too, which to me, there's nothing wrong with, if you're able to keep like a side job or a side hustle to go make extra money if you need it, even if it's just a few $100 a week or whatever. I mean, that's kind of what I do. Next month, you're going to buy you a nice car. Nice. Only my wife ever drives nice cars. I don't guess I've had I don't know if I've ever had a desire to have a nice car for a long time. I think I drive a 2013 GMC pickup truck. Okay, so you do personal training as your side hustle? Yeah, see, that's good right there, man. You got like a little side job to make money on top of trying to make a little extra, what I call bonuses trading. That's definitely the way to do it. You just call your trading money bonus money, especially if you're making money. So, heck yeah. It's easy to pass funded accounts, but I'm getting issue in the withdrawal. Why is it because of where you why is it hard to withdraw the money? Oh, the company? Hmm. Yeah, I try to stick with prop firms that I know that they haven't really had any issues with paying people or yeah, I'm kind of with you, Wes. We had a good night, but like I said, we did give back a little profit on that last trade where I should have closed that trade once I got back down to like with taking the profits and it ripped back up. I should have shut it down instead of taking the bigger loss and giving back half my profit. Yes, Logan, we've taken at least 3 trades tonight. So, yeah. It looks like it's trying to roll over, but I don't want to get caught, trying to. I'm not really sure. I mean, it's already about 10 minutes till 10. I don't know. We're probably going to stay on here for a little bit longer, but not sure if we'll grab any more trades. I really don't want to give back a lot of my profit if I can't help it. Oh, goodness. Look at her go. Now this nasty girl wants to go back to the pivot. Look, that's where my entry was at earlier. The only thing that sucks is I would have had to hold that damn thing like 80 points. And there's just no way for me to do that. Huh. That's weird. They're saying you're cheating and scaling. We're doing micros. We're trading small accounts. Because most of our accounts we trade are the 25K accounts. So there's no way for me to use minis because of the drawdown. And the market's been so volatile lately, you're almost forced to trade minis. I mean, micros. Yeah, Wes, I'll have to look up phone the what's his name? What's his name? I forgot his first name. The phone trader. Why did I go blank on his first name? Oh shoot. Hmm. Corey the phone trader, that's it. I went blank on his name there, methodical. I'm like the phone guy. What's his name? Corey. That's it. Corey the phone trader. Wes said he was watching Corey the phone trader today and said he blew 6 of his funded accounts. It'd be very easy to do today. Look at this thing stop me out and go. I feel like I got done dirty, guys. Gave half my profit back for only this thing to freaking sell off. Oh, that was yesterday's entries. The 21 EMA for the 5 minute is all the way back down at 810. Usually I don't really have a lot of indicators on my charts. This is just what we were just looking at a while ago. Most of the time, the only thing we have on there as far as level-based indicators like previous day close, previous day low, just pretty much that type of stuff. These here on this chart, these are just your moving averages here. Nice. Look at this big 5 minute trend line build up here. So we may get the break back out up in a minute. Or do we try the 21 bounce? I mean, we can put a teaser here at the 21 moving average. You would think that you would get a bounce here in the at this time of the night. So we may give it a few points. We're taking this one for Methodical Man. He likes the 21 bounces. Methodical, you trading tonight or you sitting around just watching? May not get through this. There's a big wick sitting there. You do have the body of this candle sitting there. No entries for you tonight. We're going to take the 21 bounce just for you, man. Just for you. Now, guys, I don't recommend taking the EMA bounces, so please don't take EMA bounces unless you something you take. Where did I hit? I pretty much hit off that wick. Uh-oh. Market's selling gold. Oh, is that also the 21 EMA? Oh, okay. We're at the 21 EMA on the ES. Very, very short leash on this. Probably no more than 5 points. Unless for some reason we already pull back and hit the 9 EMA. Then we probably won't take this. Just probably a lot of chart time. You gotta think, I probably spend 7 hours a day, not 7, at least 5 or 6 hours a day staring at charts. What do you mean flat top on the 5 minute? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yep. What is the next target up there? 72. Let me see if I can find my yeah, it looks like it's about to clear up that candle methodical. Like there's no wick on that 5-minute candle. I was hoping this would come down to that 21 EMA before we pull back up like that. I mean, that's kind of what we were looking for, to kind of bounce off that 21 to pull back up to the 9 EMA. You took the long there. Yeah, nice long. I wish it would have just came down a little bit more to kind of tag us in at that 21. Oh, there's a 5-minute trend line. See, I don't have that marked out. Dude, is this going to be a big bull flag here? You use the 20 and the 200? Oh, nice. I don't usually have the 200 on there. I usually don't use the EMAs very much during the daytime. All right, new 4-hour candle also. So this would be a brand new 4-hour count. That would be nice. Cool hand, Luke. We're about to have a new 5-minute candle too. Does it got another 5 points in her? Oh, yeah. It's got that liquid IV in there. This trend line, this is a 5-minute bull flag breakout. I like to see it kind of push back down and retest the 80s if it could. Give it like a little another 9 EMA push before we break up the 500 off the VWAP there. Ooh, is this thing just going to trap some people in? The bears will try to break even at the midpoint. Oh. Push it. Come on. Is there anybody along? Oh, if it closes below that that bull bar, it will follow through the downside. I know it'll probably break our 5-minute trend line there. I think that's where, I guess there's apparently a 5-minute trend line there that, I mean, I don't have it marked out. Oh, I guess you can see it. It's right here. Oh, you and Ash are long? All right. Where are you long from? Yeah, we waited for this second candle. I wasn't sure if we would push up through the 700. So where are you long from, Nick? Oh, okay. So you're just back to break even here. So you'll need this trend line to hold up here. Let's see if that 5-minute trend line is going to hold. Hold. About to have a new 5-minute candle here. How heavy are you in on this, Nick? When does the NBA games continue, Nick? Oh, it's going on tonight? Oh, okay. Are the Knicks winning? Are they playing good tonight since that's your team? Two to one. Yeah, I saw that the other team won the other night. Oh, they're losing right now? P, we're just kind of sitting on our hands at the moment. We did just break. We just did get below this 5-minute trend line. Oh, San Antonio's up by 27. Whew, that's quite a bit there. They're hitting a lot of threes. Yeah, Methodical said he was buying. He had to buy a basketball game for one of his kids tonight, for PlayStation 5. I told him nothing compared to playing the NBA jams from back in the day. Best basketball video game ever. He's on fire. For anybody that used to play some NBA jams back in the day. Like I said, guys, we're just kind of sitting on our hands at the moment. So are you going to... 4 points with the mini? Oh, Methodical. Do we try it with you here? I don't know about a mini. I think it already hit. Yep. Instant 10 points, guys. Look at that instant 10 points. Look at that instant. Dude, that was like an instant 10 points. Nice on the mini trade there. That was like, you could have got 200 points off that. Well, hell, you said you got it 150, so heck. The Bears got to get follow through, otherwise it's going back up. Hopefully we can just get this little 21 bounce and move back to the top side. Oh, excuse me. How it ends the pump. 5-minute trend line break. Guys, like I said, we're still sitting on our hands. If you're into like just scalping little stuff like that, a lot of times that 21 EMA usually gives you like 5 or 10 point bounce. Yeah, waiting to see if we get some kind of pullback here. Push it. I think we might have missed it. We're just looking for 5 points and a little runner here. Instant gratitude. Yeah, look at there on the tick. This thing can still push back up, guys, so we don't know yet. We'll just go to break even here because this thing could push back up to 57 here. We'll let our runner get stopped out if it pulls back up. Like I said, this could push back up to the 50s here. And what it'll do, it'll just kind of be retesting that 9 EMA most of the time. Usually that's what happens. Like you'll hit that 20, push back up to the 9. Then if the 9 holds, you should get the push down into the 50s down here. Maybe we'll retest this big data wick or whatever that was that happened earlier tonight. Downtown, baby. Could get stuck here at this whole number. Could get a nice bounce off the 90 here. A lot of times you'll hit the 90, pop back up to 10. But it'd be nice if we can just go ahead and just lose the 90s and go. Nice. All right. Ugh. Though trading off Rico candles are just so easy sometimes. Ricos. Nice. We got our profit back, guys. We're back over 450. We're back up to 450. So we got back the money that we lost earlier on that one loss that we took up there. We're on the MNQ. I know, what a nice freaking 5-minute trend line break that was. Look at these nice ledges. I didn't know if we would get a nice bounce out of this area here. Let's see if it pays 10 points. I mean, really, if you took the 50 EMA, you would have got your 10 points if you trade like that. So you could have got 10 points out of that. So you basically would have had your entry out that 50 EMA, looking for 10 points in a runner or 5 points in a runner. I'm not saying it's going to hold, but you're just looking for scalping. Plus you had that big data wick or whatever that wick was from earlier tonight. It was very hard not to jump into this thing. Let's see if this is going to hold. Hold. What? At least an 89 possible pullback? No? Wow. Just broke that hard there. What's up, Brett? How are you doing? Oh, goodness. Oh, nice sell, man. Mookie, you still holding your short? I think that was probably my last trade that we took this last short. I think that's going to probably be my last one of the night. We were fortunate enough to get back the that one trade that we lost earlier. So now we're just pretty much back to where we were before we took that loss from earlier. So no, we mainly trade a New York session. What's up, Miss K? How are you doing? No, the 50 is still bouncing. Your runner got filled at 77 on the ES flat. Nice. You're too big on the mobile. Oh, pretty good with Miss K. Got that zoom in effect going on. Oh, shoot. How's your trading been going tonight, Miss K? We're probably going to be sitting on the sidelines the rest of the night. We're kind of happy where we're at. I mean, it's so don't know if we'll be grabbing any more. We took this nice short while ago with a nice little pullback back up to 41. So we got short at 41, did an add in at 46, and yeah, so turned into a nice trade for almost 60 points. So look at her go. Dude, and we got the 5-minute trend line break, guys. For anybody that likes to play trend line breaks. Look at this nice 5-minute trend lines with these nice ledges. So the way to play these is you would take, if you were having multiple contracts on micros, you would, as you hit the top of this, take profit, and then you would want to save another runner down to this next leg at 427 or 440s. Then your last one would be here down at 336. Sorry about that. Is anybody in a short or long right now? Nick, did you get out of your long that you were in? Or did you hold that? Well, thank you, Miss K. We will be on all morning tomorrow morning also, starting at 9 o'clock till the end of My Funded Futures. We'll have to see if Methodical Man's going to make it tomorrow. Hopefully he's able to find somewhere with a internet connection, since he's going to have to try to find somewhere to stream. He's going to be a van streamer. He's going to be streaming from his van that he just moved into. The warden kicked him out, so he's living in a van by the river. Living in a van down by the river. For any of the Chris Farley fans out there. What's up, S Dub? My camper van. Yeah, we just took 60 points out of this short, so now we're just kind of sitting on the sidelines. Unfortunately, we just had to make back the profit we lost a while ago, though. So we lost, I want to say $200 on that one entry that I entered earlier. So we just pretty much got our profits back. Is all we did. So, oh. Oof. Thank you for the follow, 9008. It doesn't have a free candy sign on it. I know. You got to be careful of methodical. Dude, that's pretty wild. No losses today? Heck yeah, man. It has a free puppy sign on it. Oh, goodness. Living in a van. No, that's one of the Chris Farley funny skits. Living in a van down by the river. I'm going to stay away from any more entries, S-Dub, dude. I'm up 450 tonight, so there's really no more reason for me to enter. I don't want to take a chance of giving back profit, you know, win or lose, so we're just sitting on our hands. Can you do that from the airplane, methodical? Do they have Wi-Fi on planes? Nice, S-Dub. If that's good enough. Dude, I haven't been on a plane since I was 19 or 18. So it's been quite a few years since I've been on a plane. Probably will never get back on a plane again. I don't really have no desire to fly anywhere. Which I don't have no desire to go anywhere either. So I only have 2 places we usually go to. A Turkish prison? No, I've never seen the inside of any prison besides on TV. And I don't know how real that is. I pretty much just stay home all the time. Even at home, I only got a few places we go. Let's go. Pull back. You said you wouldn't tell Myth. The glory holes on the sucking side. Negative on the glory holes. Only Myth would come up with the glory hole. Hey, Hey, that's how Myth earns business on the side. He's got his own personal glory hole. Oh goodness. Cash only. He's working on getting a Square. That way he can just tap the credit card. Take the credit card. Man, does this thing pull back up to 95 possibly here? To 95 to 600? $70 to $80 on the ES. He's a spitter. Down by the holla. Make sure you don't swallow. Oh, you guys. Make sure we're watching. I'm making sure I'm watching the TikTok page tonight, guys, so we don't We'll give this like 5 points here. We're just looking for a little scalp here. Unless it comes up here and misses me. We'll give it 10 points. We're just looking for 5 points and a little runner here. Oh, don't do me. Don't get so close and pull back here, guy. You're looking for 80.25 on the ES. I've not even looked at the ES charts this evening. He ain't asking for much here. We're just asking for 2 points and $2 million. That's it. 8 points and $2 million. I'm sorry, 8 points and $2 million. Remember, we're only going to give us about 10 points here. Maybe up to the 9 and 21 up there. Instant gratitude. Okay. Real quick, like. Oh, shoot. Dude, these Rico freaking EMAs, man, you can just, these things just hit like every time. I've been trying to get more and more comfortable taking these things. kind of stuck in this area. You would think that we'd want to hit this 21S9 EMA here. I was hoping we would get a pullback to at least 75 here on that pullback off the 90. See, I think you could have got 5 points, 5 to 10 points off of this 9 EMA bounce too, which it already looks like it already hit. Yeah, it already hit. So you could have got your 10 points off of that too. If you're just looking into scalping, yeah, you could have got that one too. You got long at 72. Is that on the ES? Yeah, it has to be on the ES, right? Nice. You're going long? Nice. I'm not really looking for any long position. The only thing we're kind of doing now is just kind of scalping. So we're just trying to see if we can jump into some of these little 5 and 10 point trades off the EMAs. The Manzini's level does it again. If you're long, you need you don't need to lose 60 if you're long. You need to see 60 hold up here. Let's see if that 60 is going to hold for you. Bounce. You got long at 76. You need to have, like I said, these 60 levels bounce here. You don't really want to lose 64. Like, I don't know. Let's see if we can get the bounce here. You need this area to hold up and start pushing back to the top side. Push. Push it. All right. Mookie's long. Orvy's long. Print. Need this thing to print here. Come on. Push. Need to see a print here above 90. Nice. The 60s held. Might get a push up to what, 29 here. Needs to break the 83. Like I said, I don't really have any more little scalps that I can join in on. Come on, push for whoever's in long. Push it, push it. That's the only thing about Asian market, man. You do not get the quick moves, man. You can be sitting here for a little while just waiting for the stuff to go higher. Like I said, guys, we're probably not going to be taking any more trades. That last short we took was probably our last one of the night. So we're just going to be just kind of chilling on the sidelines. We're probably only going to be on for a few more minutes. It's almost 11 o'clock, and we will be back at, what do you want to say, 9 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning. Definitely good luck if you're going to continue trading the rest of the night. Sometimes the volume does slow down a little bit this time of the night. Let's see. I mean, dude, that is insane. Like, VIX is almost at 22. Go. Nice on your long. Passion, we're just kind of sitting on the sidelines now. We did take a short earlier on the 5-minute trend line break. So there's a couple guys in the other lobbies that are long, but I think they got long. One guy got long in the 70s, and I'm not sure where Orr got long from. So I'm not sure where his entry was, or if he's still in it or not. Ooh. Look at that nice 21 bounce on the reverse side. Did you at least go to break even? Okay, you already got your stop in. Nice. Thank you guys for watching tonight. Hopefully everyone had a okay trading session. I'm glad we got some nice movement tonight. The Asia market was pumped tonight, guys. So hopefully everybody was able to at least make some profit or get a couple wins. And if you did take a loss, hopefully they weren't too bad. So I think we took one loss tonight out of our entries. We did lose like half our profit on that one trade, but we got it back on this last short here. We ended up getting a 60-point short. We were long or short from 46, 45, and we took it down to 80. So nice trade to finish out tonight. And we took a little 5-point bounce here and there. I think we were, kind of playing these little EMAs. And nighttime usually respects those for most part. That's how I actually took that loss, because I was looking for a 5-point bounce off that VWAP up there, but it did not happen. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and everyone have a wonderful evening. And we will be back in the New York session somewhere between 9 and 9:15. Hopefully the breakout candle in the morning's not too insane that we can't grab a trade off that inside, 15-minute candle at the opening. So we'll take at least one Bulanox trade tomorrow, and we will be looking for at least one Lucid funded trade. We'll have to see what price action looks like. I'm gonna try my best not to take any losses on these next two trades on the Lucid account. So we're definitely gonna be careful, because we only need like $100 trade to get those 5 $100 trades, and we need less than $200 for $500 payout on one of those accounts. So hopefully we should be able to get that over the next day or two, or if not, early next week. So alrighty, thank you guys. Have a great evening.